What should I do if I teach Islam to a non-Muslim and he insults Islam and the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him? After that, should I teach him again or not? If you are teaching Islam to a person and that person insults the Prophet or Islam, should you stop teaching? No. If a non-Muslim insults the Prophet, you have to go out of the way to try and clarify the misconception. You should ask him, why are you insulting the Prophet? And clarify his misconceptions. There are many non-Muslims who are against the Prophet because of the media. The media portrays the Prophet in the negative picture. The media portrays Islam as a religion of terrorism, as a religion of violence, which is wrong. Islam is a peaceful religion. So what we have to do, it's our duty as Muslims that we should correct the wrong image. So if you're teaching someone Islam and if he insults the Prophet, you have to go out of the way to correct him and clarify the misconception. After you have done that, yet if he continues abusing and being violent, and if you have tried your level best and you could not convince him and yet he keeps on insulting, then as a last resort, you can stop talking to him. As the Quran says, when the ignorant approach you, you say, Qalu salama, say peace be on you. So after you have put all your efforts and you cannot convince him and yet he continues insulting the Prophet and Islam, at that time you can break your friendship with him, or you can stop talking to him or stop teaching him. But initially you have to try and convince, try your level best. It may be for a few hours, it may be for a few days, it may be for a few weeks. If you're convinced he's not going to change and he'll continue abusing the Prophet and insulting the Prophet and Islam, then as a last resort you can stop talking and stop teaching to him about Islam.